You have reached a point in your qualitative research study where you need to analyze your data. You have also decided to use MAXQDA. MAXQDA is one of the most reliable computer-assisted qualitative data analysis softwares. We are going to go through 6 steps, including a general introduction into MAXQDA and its functionalities, importing transcripts, coding, coming up with themes, exporting the code list, and producing the data analysis report.
This video is about conducting qualitative analysis. Using MAXQDA, you can analyze transcripts after you conduct your interviews, semi-structured interviews, or focus groups. The first thing we do is in MAXQDA, we can open a project. Yes, let's call that new project 1. I don't want to change anything. So the first thing that you see when you open MAXQDA is this top menu where you have home, import, codes, memos, variables, analysis, mixed methods, visual tools, reports, and all that and stats. Then we have the second menu here with text, PDFs, transcripts, import. Then we have on my left, we have document sets, code sets. Basically, this will be a beginner lesson on how to get codes and combine codes to form themes. The first thing you can do is import documents. Basically,